Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever. And first of all, I'm really sorry that I forgot about my Eid special, which I didn't do, and I promised to do it next Eid. And if you're wondering again that what these things are, these are just left out from my mehndi. I really had a lot of work to do this Eid, so I couldn't really do much. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So today I am doing my second part of OMG. I'm really sorry for the blowing of the cards because there's a lot of wind out here. So anyways, so today is my second part, and these are all the new cards I just made. And keep in mind that this is not the next week. I'm gonna post this video the next week, but this has been taken the next day of the first part which I just made. Anyways, these are the ones I made today. These are freshly made. First of all, my favorite solo artist, Chungha. You guys also probably know her. She's super cool, and I really love her new album Currencia, and her latest single, which is Demente, which is a Spanish single. I really love all her songs, almost all her songs, which are super cool. Then here is gfriend, which is also one of my favorite K-pop girl groups, and my favorite song of theirs is Mago. And next is Everglow. It's really underrated, but also still one of my favorite K-pop groups. As I said, Everglow is one of my favorite K-pop groups because they're like super cool, and although they didn't have a latest release this year, their last year's latest one was La Di Da, which was also my favorite album as well. Then there is TXT, and I really like their first debut album, Crown Song. Now there's itzy. Itzy is one of my favorite K-pop girl groups as well as their new single album, which is Guess Who, and their new song In the Morning is my favorite as well, with Not Shy, and this is specifically made for that album as well. At last but not least, G-Idol. Also, you guys probably know them. They are super cool, as well as their newest single, which was Last Dance. Also, my favorite song of theirs is Wa as well. I know all their songs as well. So thank you guys for watching this week's new part 2 of K-pop group cards. Comment down below which ones you want me to make, and I'll see you in the next part, which is third part, which will surely be released next week. I'll be making it tomorrow though, and posting it next week since I've got some editing work as well. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and stay creative, stay home, and stay sweet. Bye bye.